Hi, today I wanted to talk to you about the GOV All About, and this is the modified assignment. So as you know, the directions, I'll always have directions via video for you, even after explaining them in class. So what you're going to do, it says you will access your assignment in Canvas and complete the following slides. So when you open the assignment in Canvas, it's going to look like this, and you can see those slides are numbered here on the slide. This one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, all the way to 9 slides. You are not going to be doing all 9 slides, so some of these will be left blank by you, and that's okay. That is what I'm telling you to do. So you are going to do slide 1. And on slide 1, right here where it says add your name here, you're going to remove that, put your first and last name. Then you will do slide 2, 5 words that describe yourself. These need to be things that are like that describe your personality, the kind of person you are, not things that describe you physically. So not blonde, short, tall, whatever. It needs to be 5 things that describe what kind of a person you are, who you are as a person. Then it says you'll do slide 3. So this is about what can I do as your teacher to help you be successful in government. Then you'll do slide 4. Oops, this should say government. See, I have a typo. Glad we're making this video, so I caught it. So the next slide, which is slide number 4, is what can you do to help yourself in government? So what can you do to make sure you're successful? Next, it says you're going to skip all the way to slide 8. So you'll go all the way down here to this slide 8. It says out of all the things you learned in school, what will be the most useful for you as an adult? And then you will do slide number 9. Slide number 9 is pretty interesting. It says, do you believe money can or cannot buy happiness, and why? All right, you get all of those finished, and there is a reminder down here that says do not do slides 5, 6, and 7. Those are not assigned to you on this assignment, so do not do them. It does not change your grade or anything. You just don't have to do those. All right, let me know if you have any questions.